Welcome to all dear students in today's lecture. Today we are going to learn the concept of performance appraisal. Let's focus the introductory part of performance appraisal. The process of human resource development helps the employee to acquire or develop technical, managerial and behavioral knowledge, skills and abilities, and molds the value, belief and attitude necessary to perform present and future role. The process of performance appraisal helps the employee and the management to know the level of employee's performance compared to the predetermined standard or level. Performance appraisal is essential to understand and improve the employee's performance through human resource development. In fact, performance appraisal is the basis for human resource development. It was viewed that performance appraisal was useful to decide upon employee promotion, transfer, salary, determination and the like. But the recent development in the human resource indicate that performance appraisal is the basis for employee development. Performance appraisal indicate the level of desired performance level of actual performance and the gap between these two. What is it? The predetermined objective, fulfill objective, and in between that there is a gap, and this gap identified through the performance appraisal. Okay, let's deeply understand through the meaning of performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is a method of evaluating the behavior of employee in the work spot, means what? Workstations, normally including both the qualitative and the quantitative aspects of job performance. Performance here refer to the degree of accomplishment of the tasks that make up an individual's job. It indicates how well an individual is fulfill the job demands. The term is confused with the effort, but performance is always measured in term of result and not efforts. Okay, this way we can understand what is a performance appraisal. In short, what is it? It is a technique, systemized technique for evaluating the performance of employee on the job. Okay, we understand this concept deeply through the features of performance appraisal. The first one is what? The performance appraisal is a systematic description of an employee's job relevant strengths and weaknesses. Regarding the job, the strength and weaknesses of a key areas, how they work out, or there are some difficulties like that. This is the strength and weakness of that particular employee's job. Next, what? The basic purpose is to find out how well the employee is performing the job and establish a plan of improvement. Next, what? Appraisal are arranged periodically according to a definite plan. It is not a one day activity. It is organized by periodically, means take example for that: quarterly, half yearly, yearly, like that. Next is what? Performance appraisal is not job evaluation. It refers to how well someone is doing the assigned job. Job evaluation determine how much a job is worth to the organization, and therefore what range of pay should be assigned to job. Performance appraisal is a continuous process in every large scale industries or organization. Okay, this process is continue with the large scale industry, not a small scale industry. Let's focus the importance of performance appraisal. Commitment to having appraisal conversation with employees can help to improve the bottom line by aligning individual performance with a business objective. It also supports the creation of a more people focused culture and environment in which employee will want to stay, progress and thrives. Okay, let's focus the main importance things into the what performance appraisal. The first importance is what employee recognition and reward. Second one, new challenges and clear objectives. Next, continue progression and development, culture of trust and openness, support and training, prevention of a long dissatisfaction, supporting staff to deliver an effective appraisal system. Let's we go one by one in detail. The first one is employee recognitions and reward. Employee recognitions means to identify. Appraisal provide the opportunity to recognize, means identify and rewards employees to the ensure they feel value for the work that they do. By monitoring performance and progress against the objective, employees can be assess whether to reward staff with a salary increase, promotion, or business rewarding. Any success highlighted doesn't have to be a financial. Okay, you can understand. Means take one example. In your class, number of people without doing recognize, means what they show their qualities, and one thing is that the teacher or the person who assign that class, what they identify, means recognize the talent one students, and what they are giving the reward for their best performance, like that. In organization also doing the or following the same method. Next is what new challenges and clear objectives. Organization with a great workplace culture are ones where employees feel a real sense of belonging. They understand what the organization trying to achieve, are inspired by its mission and value, recognize how their role plays and a part of in achieving overall success. It is also a great opportunity to regulate review objective to provide ongoing challenges to ensure employee remain motivated by new goals and experience. Means actually what new challenges and clear objective they are providing any organization, and employee what enthusiastically they are completed their objective, help for that, and what they also take a nice experience as a part of fulfilling that particular objective, and he feel the what enthusiastic. So it is useful to the organization. Next is what continued progression and development. Organization which provide clear progression opportunities are attractive to new recruits, and are more likely to be able to retain talent employees by mapping out a career path for them, setting aside the time to discussion on employees individuals ambitious will also help organization to spot and develop potential talent and build a strong succession pipeline. Means what, if you want to be do or retain in particular organization, means of long where is the doing that particular practices, means what, if I want to be having a different thing into organization, I want to be a part of that task, and it is the employer enjoying these things and they don't want to be left that particular organization, and for that what they want to be develop the talent of that particular employee, and the organization help for that, so no one wants to be left, so it is useful. Next is what culture of trust and openness. There is a culture of what openness. In today's fast-paced business world, it's more important than ever to maintain a meaningful two-way dialogues with the employees to help keep talent people with your organization. One of the key enables for the achieving employee engagement is to ensure that employee have a voice, and appraisal and performance review meetings can be helped to fuel discussion and empower staff to share their opinion. If we are giving the employees to open your what feelings or give your opinions or share your opinions, they are feeling happily and they are doing their job enthusiastically, because the organization consider their what feeling or their opinion. So it is useful through that performance appraisal. Next is what support and training. Open discussion on performance can help to be identify and problem easy early and provides the opportunity to explore positive solutions. High performing employees can be supporting with the further training to help them to progress to the next level in their career. When we are through the performance appraisal, we share all the things related to the task. It is how better or there is some help for that, and if they are freely share with their organization, then what it is supportive for the next level training also. So it is useful for supporting and training. Next is what prevention of long term dissatisfaction. Issues can usually be nipped in the bud before they escalate the point of some leaving. If they can be raised through the appraisal methods, it is a great opportunity for an employee to raise any worries or concern, or to discuss any barriers which they feel are holding them back. Means what? Preventing of a long term dissatisfaction. When we are doing in a any organization a number of year workout, but there is not satisfied things, there is some problem, and we are not discuss like that, so it is too much difficult. Means what? If we are say freely, then what? It is a prevention of long term dissatisfaction. Means you happily go through that job, there is no any single point to barrier for your workouts. Okay, next is what? Supporting a staff to deliver an effective appraisal system. For appraisal and performance communications to work to best the effort, manager need to feel effectively equipped to provide regular feedback and ongoing performance management. Investing in a training for a manager to able to deliver effective performance appraisal with an authentic approach is a worthwhile investment. In short, what is a performance appraisal? Performance appraisal is a systematic method of evaluating a performance of employees. Why it is important? It is important for improvement of a employee organization and what recognition of employee of into that particular organization. And if you want to be grow your organization, these practices are too much better. Okay, in short, today we are going to learn the concept of performance appraisal, introductory part, meaning and importance of performance appraisal. Thank you.